Dear friends, let us introduce a new entrant on our breakfast tables, waffles, and I will show you how to make a gluten-free version. For this we need 3 cups gluten-free all-purpose flour, 2.5 cups thin buttermilk, that is curd beaten with its own water, 8 tablespoon castor sugar, 6 teaspoon gluten-free baking powder, 4 eggs separated as yolks and whites, 1 cup cooking oil, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all dry ingredients, that is flour, baking powder, lemon zest, salt and half of the sugar. Now mix wet ingredients, that is buttermilk, oil, vanilla essence and beaten egg yolks. After this, mix the wet ingredients to dry just enough to combine. Do not overmix this mixture, as the waffles may turn out hard. Meanwhile, beat egg whites with remaining sugar till fluffy and then add this fluffed up egg whites in 3 parts to the waffle batter. Fold it in gently. Now separately beating egg whites either with a hand whisk or with a handheld mixer will make the waffles. On the exterior they will be quite crisp and soft and tender in the center. Brush both sides of a waffle maker with butter, with a little bit butter, and pour about 1/4 cup batter to each mold and cook for 3 minutes. Now this time may vary from machine to machine. Meanwhile, prepare a cranberry or a strawberry compote in case you wish to make this with fresh strawberry or cranberry in maple syrup and reduce on low flame. Now use fresh strawberries for this, as I did not have I have used dehydrated fruits, but it does not give the same result. Anyway, I have made it with dehydrated fruits. And then serve this to your family with fresh cream, whipped cream or chocolate sauce, as I have done. Please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India and do try this new breakfast recipe for your family. Thank you.